Chen Xiao is a Chinese actor and model. He was born on July 5, 1987 in Hefei, China. Chen Xiao married the Romance of the Condor Heroes co-star Michael Chen in 2016. At the age of 10, he was cast in his first television series, Our Class Song. Chen graduated from the Central Academy of Drama in 2009. In 2021, he starred in People's Property. Chen is said to star in the political television series The People's Property, the sequel to the highly successful drama In the Name of People. The same year, he also played Fate Makes Greta and Shuki and Peach Blossom. In 2020, he starred in Healer of Children. In 2009, Chen starred alongside Jeo Chen in the historical television series Queen Dugo, playing the role of the Emperor Wen of Sui. The same year, he starred in road trip suspense drama Love Journey, directed and written by Mao Wenning. Chen played an undercover pauper who appears frivolous but is serious and passionate about his job and received positive reviews for his performance. He then played a violinist in the romance suspense film Lost in Love, directed by Huo Jianqi, as well as military drama The King of Land Battle. In 2017, he starred alongside San Li in the historical drama Nothing Gold Can Stay, which earned high ratings of 3%. Chen received acclaim for his acting performance and character interpretation and experienced a resurgence of popularity. In 2016, Chen starred in the coming of age web series Who Sleeps My Bro, which gained a large following online and became a cult classic. The same year, he starred in Wuxia drama The Three Heroes and Five Gallants, based on the novel of the same name. He has so far worked in a number of successful films and television series and has worked with a host of Hollywood hotshots. In 2015, Chen co-starred in historical romance drama Love Yongi from the Desert, adapted from the novel Song in the Clouds by Tong Hua. Despite the mixed reviews and criticism for the series, Chen received acclaim for his performance as a clumsy assassin. In 2014, he starred in Wuxia romance drama The Romance of the Condor Heroes, playing Yan Guo. Chen's portrayal of the character earned praise by fans of the original novel by Louis Cha, which further raised his popularity. He has been given the chance to prove himself more than once in several different projects in the last few years, and he has done an amazing job. In 2009, Chen signed with his first agency, Huai Brothers. He then featured in the film Detective D and the Mystery of the Phantom Flame, directed by Sui Harka. The same year, he appeared in the television series Spell of the Fragrance, produced by Yo Zheng. Chen continued to appear in several television series under Yo Zheng, but only officials signed a contract with him after starring in Beauties of the Emperor. Chen started to gain attention as an actor in the 2012 hit Palace drama Palace 2, where his portrayal of the 19th Prince attracted positive audience reviews.